Let's see the property of genetic code, that is genetic code has degeneracy. What is meaning of degeneracy? When some amino acid they are encoded by more than one codon, at that time it is said that genetic code is degenerate. Usually single amino acid is encoded by a single codon, but some they are coded by more than one codon. Example, cysteine, it has 2 codon, while isoleucine has 3 codon. This is called degeneracy of genetic code, and this property is explained by Obel hypothesis. See, according to this, the first 2 bases in different codon are identical, but third one varies. Let's see. Here, these first 2 nitrogen bases of codon, they are same, GU, GU, and last one varied. Here valine it is coded by these 4 codon. Lysine is coded by these 2 codon. Tyrosine coded by 2 codon. First 2 nitrogen bases they are same, last one varied. 64 codon code only 20 amino acids. So naturally it is possible some amino acid they are coded by several codon. Some exceptions are there. See here, this is mRNA, these are tRNA. This mRNA consists codon which pair with anticodon, and this tRNA it brings specific amino acid. Here codon is GUU, it pairs with CAA. This is the perfect pairing or normal pairing. But see here, C pairs with A pairs with A, G pairs with A. This is not a perfect pairing, and this is called as Obel pairing. And this, why genetic code is degenerate? Due to this ability of tRNA to recognize this codon same. Though here GUC is there, but it recognizes as GUU. Here GUA, again it recognizes A as a U, and hence this pairing is called as Obel pairing. And due to this pairing, at third nitrogen basis of codon and anticodon, genetic code is degenerate. See, again another example is shown, leucine, it normal pairing, CUC, here anticodon GAG, but here Obel pairing, CUU, anticodon GAG, U pairs with the G. This is Obel pairing. And in case of glycine, this is also Obel pairing. And due to this, the genetic code is degenerate. See again in this slide, normal pairing and Obel pairing is shown. Obel hypothesis proposed by scientist Crick. According to this hypothesis, the first 2 bases of codon pair according to normal base pairing rule. Here, with the last 2 bases of the anticodon, base pairing at third position of a codon is Obel. So, this property, it can be asked in the exam. So, thank you friends.